job is not for everyone. It's all fun and games and jokes on social media. But this shit is dangerous.
Alright, today we'll be unboxing the Air Jordan 9 Powder Blues, and then we have a special guest today. Introduce yourself.
Ike Extra.
It's the box that it comes in. Got some Air Jordan on the top of the box with the red Jumpman. It's wrapped in some white paper. That's what they look like. As you can see, Nike is coming back with Michael Jordan's alma mater colors. We got the powder blue, the white, and then we have the black. As you all know, he went to the University of North Carolina, so just paying homage to his alma mater. Of course, we have the all-white Summit white leather uppers. Then we have the black on the tongue, on the shoelaces, and then on the eyelets. We have some Jumpmans at the bottom on the midsole, a black Jumpman. We also have a black Jumpman on the heel tab, which is the powder blue. And then we have the powder blue Jumpman on the bottom. On the bottom, as you can see, we have like some crazy designs and some. Then on the bottom, we have some designs. And like I said, we had the powder blue Jumpman. This will be the third drop of the Air Jordan Powder Blue 9s. They originally dropped in 1994, and then they re-dropped in 2010. So this will be the third drop and a 14-year gap from 2010. The only difference with this pair and the OG pair is that this pair does not feature the 23 on the heel tab. It features a Jumpman, so that's the only difference from the OG pair and the 2024 pair. This is the last look. So, what's your overall thought about these shoes?
My overall thought about them is like, I love them. I cop these. I like these. Like these remind me of like the retro tens, the with the powder blue. Like these look just like them, and like these are must grab right here. You know what I'm saying? Like these are must grab. For sure. I'm trying to really think about what I put on with them right now. Like what I come up with, what I put together right quick. Cause like these are like a must, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. These are yes, for real. Like I like these. The colors blend together good. Like.
You have any other thoughts on these shoes?
All right, one more thought. Like, when you do decide to cop these, like, don't strap them all the way up to where you gonna mess all this part up. You don't want to do that. Like, you know, it's like, but if you a basketball player and you want to go ruin a pair of Jordans, a fresh pair, I mean, go for it. But if not, and you just really getting them to drip in, like, don't do that. Don't strap them all the way up, tie them all the way tight, strings way up here, and it's going to wrinkle this whole little section, this whole little part right there. You're going to be through. You're going to be over, and you're going to have to get another pair, and it's going to be a waste of time and money. So, like, yeah, just, you know, easy. You gotta ease with it. You know what I'm saying? When you take the shoestrings out, you know, or I wear my shoes like this, just how they come out. Loosen them up a little bit, slide them in. You know, don't strap them in. Don't do that. You know, then you're gonna mess it all the way up. You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, These are must grab. So if you grab them, do that. But don't do what I told you not to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Must grab.
All right. So another question: do you really care that they changed the 23 to a jump man on the back? Do you think it makes a big difference? Would you say that they're an OG because of the minor difference?
I ain't even realize that. Yeah, I think they did good with it, but I ain't even realized the 23 wasn't even on there. I think the 23, the red 23, will really throw them off. The red 23, yeah, I think that'll, yeah.
Do you think OGs would care? Like people who really sneakerheads, do you think they would consider this an OG Jordan?
Probably.
Well, OG
Probably
Pop
not. Probably
because
not.
of that small
Because
difference?
of the difference.
Right.
They probably wouldn't, but I mean, yeah, they probably wouldn't.
Like he said, this is a must grab. They coming out March 23rd in full family size. You got men, grade school, preschool, toddlers. So if you get a chance to get these, I would definitely cop these. And yeah.
Don't wrinkle the front.
Alright, so now we doing copper pass. So what you doing? You copping or you passing?
Copping.
I'm
Hands
copping
down.
too, definitely.
Hands down.
I think these is nice.
Pockets swole on them, show your goal on them. I'm big bro on them, nigga, big bro on them. Big bro on these bitches, all my diamonds bustin'. Hit the slab, make it back in.
So where are you from?
Baton Rouge.
And what part of Baton Rouge you from?
Valley Park.
Can you tell me about Valley Park? Like what area that's in?
Well, I'm off Yazoo Street.
Yazoo Street.
Yeah, that's like on the back end. Yep. That's Valley Park.
Alright, so I remember you telling me you've been rapping since about like what, 2008. So who's your favorite rapper? Like what was your favorite rapper growing up?
Well, growing up, my favorite rapper was Biggie Smalls.
Biggie Smalls, okay.
Couldn't stop listening to him. Was trying to like really figure out like how he was just coming up with the words he was using. Like that was, it really shocked me and like amazed me. So I was like, man, I want to do that. I want to try to do that. Like, how that dude coming up with that stuff? Like, and so I just practiced and worked on it. And over the years, I just got better and better.
So would you say that Biggie Smalls is still your favorite rapper, or?
Yep, still my favorite rapper. Still listen to Biggie Smalls to the day.
Do you like any new rappers? Do you like how they rapping, like the new style they got?
Not really.
Not really.
But like, far as like new rappers, I'm more like in like, I listen to dudes who from like Florida.
Okay.
Like listen to like what they got going on. But like far as like the new rap, like yeah, nah, I pass on it. And I listen to myself. But yeah.
So would you say like Biggie Smalls kind of like influenced your rap style or like inspired you to
Yep.
rap the
Yeah.
rap? Okay.
He really inspired me. Like I still find myself using like like the style that he have, and like my second favorite rapper is NUS Dollar Signs. You know what it is? Nussie.
Okay.
That's my second favorite rapper. I ain't got a third. Well, it was probably me. Yeah, me. But yeah, I like as far as like the new rap, like I can't get into it because everybody talking about op packs and op this, op that, packs, rolling up, smoking on whoever, you know what I'm saying? And like that stuff, like, you know, you get tired of hearing that, like it's just over and over and over.
So would you say, well, who is your top 3 rappers you would actually like, want to collab with? Like if it's any rapper, anytime, who would you want to collab with if you could?
Well, I collab with Wiz Heaven. That's one. Boss Man D-Lo. That's 2. Let me see. And another rapper I really collab with is like Kevin Gates.
Okay.
That's about it though.
Why Boss Man D-Lo?
I ain't lying. That Boss Man D-Lo come on. Man. I don't know, it just do something to me. It just make me want to just get up and just get in that mode. Like, he make you just want to get up and just, I'm the biggest, you know what I'm saying? I be feeling that. That's how I be feeling when I get up, and I like putting that on.
Okay. So, like, last question. What's your rap goals? Like, where do you want to see yourself?
I'm really not like trying to like make a real career or nothing like that out of it. It's just what I like to do. Like, I like to do it in my spare time, and whatever I accomplish from it, I'm rolling with it. But like, as far as like trying to reach out to a record label, trying to sign a deal, nah, I ain't with all that. Like, I just like to make good music. And I want people to feel where I came from and how I came up and what I'm talking about, because like a lot of people that's on these tracks out here ain't talking about that. You know, they got people that got real stories and they don't get heard because people choose trash over what's real. So I ain't really trying to accomplish a real big goal, trying to sign big major deals. I just like music and I like to do music. That's it.
Yeah, so you basically just gonna keep doing what you're doing,
Yep.
and then if success comes from it, then you gonna roll with it.
Not really. It just depends on how it's coming.
But even if you can stay independent, keep your own style.
Oh, yeah.
You wouldn't wanna.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. But we all know that ain't gonna. They all, yeah.
All right, last question. Is there any other genre of music that you would want to get into? Like country, rock music,
Rock music.
singing.
Singing.
Would you do it?
Well, yeah, I wouldn't get into rock music. Wouldn't get into pop. Wouldn't get into singing because I can't sing. My voice too deep for it. I embarrass myself. I would never do that. But yeah, nah.
Alright, that's all I got. Alright, like I said before, this is the new poster that I designed. So every guest is gonna sign once the interview is over, and this is our first guest, so he's gonna be the first one to sign.
It's extra, baby. Oh, what, I'm supposed to sign?